Hello students, welcome back. Today we will start the new poem, Dust of Snow. In this poem, it will express the power of significance of small things in changing one's of spirit and attitude towards life. A crow shakes off the powdery snow from the hemlock tree on the poet. Frost suggests that in the same way we can shake off the sadness and gloom from one's heart. The poet appreciates the white beauty of the snowflakes, which transformed his mood and saved him precious moment from being wasted away in regret. In this, Robert Lee Frost, 1874 to 1963, was a popular American poet, appreciated for his vivid descriptions of rural life in New England. In the poem, the narrator describes snowflakes falling on him from a branch of hemlock tree and how they uplift the hitherto depressed in negative mood, thus giving him the inspiration to live the present more happily. Now we will see the title justification. The title is the justified as the poem is centered on how the snowflakes falling on the poet drove away his negativity and uplifted his mood. However, the poem is about the dust of snow, but about its impact on the poet. Thus, the title is an understatement and does not give away the theme, which is much deeper than what the title suggests. Now we will see the theme of the poem. The theme ponders on the theme that sometimes even a small incident may prove to be of a larger significance. The poet is upset in the beginning of the poem, but a small incident of the falling of snow changes his mood completely. In the end of the poem, the poet feels relaxed and thankful to the nature for saving his day from being wasted. The message we received from the poem. In the poem, Dust of Snow, Robert Frost highlights that the little seemingly insignificant incidents in his life can make momentous changes in our future by imparting us new thoughts and look. If we can brave the hard times of life in our stride with fortitude, eventually some inspiring turn will come to change our sad situation into a happier one. Simple action in life can make all the difference of other life. One may think about those many difference in other lives. One may think about those many kinds acts that we do and how they brighten some other person's day and sometimes even change his density small in powerful and wholesome as it brings happiness and